Yes guys, morning. Yeah, at the first little one this. Yeah, a little squall. Yeah. Them say today is the day. Final preparation for tropical storm Rafael. So me down on the beach at Pearl Harbor, you know, guys. I show you what go on in the early morning. Not plenty movements at all. You know? No running up and down. Yeah. Yeah. So me there guys in the morning. Yeah. Come check out what go on. Yeah. So no stay tuned, you know, we just a look and see what go on. Yeah, down in the south they don't look too wonderful at all. Yeah. Yeah man, down in the south they don't look too wonderful at all. Yeah, whole heap of rain I go down there. Yeah, a little bit just past through on the land here drizzle. A number of boats have been drawn up, including Dream Island, Cameron Family TV there, so yeah. Net tie up. Yeah, and secure. Yeah, and the rain still I come down. So guys, the first set of rain this. Yeah. And we expect some flash flooding all over the place for the next 2 days based on the weather report. If they are correct. Yeah, see a fish jump up there a while ago. Yeah. A fish catching smaller fish. Wonderful guys, great. Yeah. This is what it looked like in OLD HARBOUR Bay this morning. Yeah, in the early morning. Yeah. Nothing strange, no running up and down. Yeah. Weather look fairly calm on the land. But we notice up in the east they don't look good at all. Yeah. And down in the southwest, yeah, even worse. Yeah, you can see that a lot of water is going down that side. Yeah man. Some cloud are empty out themselves down there. Yeah. So we there guys. So guys, you know, stay tuned, you know. We see what go on, you know, because we take this thing seriously. So we'll go and watch the weather and see what go on. Yeah. So that's how we stay in a OLD HARBOUR Bay this morning. No unusual preparation. Yeah. So that is it for now. Yes guys, we there watch the boat. Tonight 9-10 o'clock hours on OLD HARBOUR Bay, you know. Yeah. Go and watch the weather same way. See a lot of little squall pitch up all about now. They start to get more serious now. A number of boats start still in the water, so probably they can withstand it. We're going to get between 40 and 60 knots of breeze. So, and they get whole heap of warning, so we don't know what going to. But they are clean off the craft meanwhile, you know. Yeah. Up for a whole heap of repairs now. But so far so good. Yeah, we scrape off the barnacle them from underneath it already. Yeah, so it get a rub off now. The algae them. Yeah. Just giving it a kind of wash off. So guys, don't stay tuned, you know. As me say, now watch the weather. So now we see what go on. Yeah. So we use pure water, the sea water, and this scour. Yeah. Yeah, this is a scouring pad. Yeah, so you wet the boat. Yeah, it's actually wet already, but just to show you, I use the scouring pad like this. Yeah, and it get out the algae very easy. Yeah, just like that, and then you wash it off after. Boat very old, doing over 16 years and don't get them repair it. Normally every 5 years them repair them. So you got an idea what I talk about. Yeah. Whole heap of work. Yeah. You do him like that guys. And then you wash him off. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, I'm going to do all of it same way, just like that. Yeah, so the numbers them want to reprint now because the boat batter up another boat, you know, and it is against the law to travel with your boat without this registration number here. Yeah, it must be visible from a certain distance, so we're going to ensure that we brighten up back the number. Yeah, and see how it's staying now, this compared to that. So we're going to clean it off this cover same way. So guys, that's how it's going now. Yeah, the weather is coming closer and closer to the island. Yeah, that is it. Yes guys, so this is a situation with OLD HARBOUR Bay now as we speak in the morning now. Yeah, after 10, still calm. The south look very nasty in terms of squall. Yeah, things are going down the same way because so them start to all up boat, you know. Little movements are going. Yeah. So we don't know if they're going to take it and move up later on. We're on the other side pole. Yeah, so guys, you see it. That's how it's going now. And we're going to keep on posted with what going down here, but so far the preparation on the way started from yesterday. As we tell you, our 2 boats drop already, but everybody else stay put, 1 and 2 man stay put out some effort, and those boats in the harbour there, they normally move them. The tropical storm come, but probably they don't believe say it going to reach. But guys, you don't know what's going on, just a quick look at OLD HARBOUR Bay. They are beautiful sunshine, and see the men them start to arrange themselves down, they start to organize some kind of movement. But then look, wait till late catch them, you know guys, so whenever that go happen today. So no stay tuned, you know. Yeah, I hit that. See our 2 craft here, Dream Island, Cameron Family TV. Yeah. So yes guys, meanwhile me have clean off some of my boat. Yeah, polo there. Clean off Cameron Family TV one. Yeah. And we know we talk about polo all the while. Yeah. You know, wait, anything Cameron have to do, just do it, you know. When we're not here, this man I don't put and do everything for everybody in the area. Every boat, every net, every engine. Hold on, ask a question and just jump at it. So guys, see me clean off the boat, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Yes guys, I'm gonna give my rub now. Yeah, with the Scotch Brite same way. Yeah. You a man to polar bear a while ago guys. See me? Yeah. And the original. Yeah man. You know guys, genocide. It's not a good name for talk about genocide, you know. Genocide is one kind of sacrilege thing against humanity, you know. Yeah, what are the real genocide this? But now watching here guys, a peaceful man, you know. Yeah man, is a cool virgin. It's a man who can't trouble still, because you know trouble people. Yeah, so I work on him food guys. Yeah, but just tell guys a while ago I saying crave me, you know. But look how man gone, guys, he come here with this full, you know. Yeah. Yeah, look on the length I hand. I see the guys crackers, vegetable and it's a tin fish.
Sardine, you know?
Sardine guys, I know short of fish, you know guys, a fisherman. Oh, but he work with the tin one this morning. Just like myself, right? We just go up with some dumpling, you know. Yeah man. So yes guys, genocide this. But we see more him from time to time, you know guys, kind of boat. Yeah, he's a man where him look at thing, him up on the hustling all the while. He's a man who no walk and beg. Yeah, always a work. And sometimes, yeah, make up a open eyes too guys, as a man. Check off all trade, make up a open eyes. So I genocide that guys. I eat some food and I watch the weather meanwhile. Yeah. So guys, I saw you stay in a OLD HARBOUR Bay in the morning, you know. Yeah. Man gone all I see there. Yeah, but him know what am I do? Yeah, cause some man here maybe a near sea, I go the way outside I go to Thailand, I go on there. Yeah. Can hear the engine from here, so it means that the sea breeze is out there already. Yeah, so the boat's turning there. It's north wind from morning, but the wind start to change now. Yeah, and guys, we just spoke a while ago about these boats. See them, you know? See them leaving with them now. Just talk about them a while ago. Yeah, whenever the weather is coming, them always a move. Yeah, so see them a move them now. I carry them to shelter now, safe haven. Yeah. And guys, they run up and down, start down there, so now we tell you. See the excitement starting now. Every boat a drop now. Yeah. But they don't take the chance. Yesterday them time I didn't say no weather now come and see them now, guys. The excitement start down there, we tell you. Boat on top of boat a go out of the water now. So apparently them just hear something. Yeah. So guys, you stay tuned as OLD Harbour Bay stay for right now, you know. Yeah, every duty squall here, guys. It's the first squall it's from man that go and push the wind from in the southeast today. See there? And we know because the clouds, you see how the cloud lean to the land. So that's the direction which the wind is going, where those clouds lean to. See them there? Yeah, you can see the ray of the sun through the water, you see it? Yeah, I see how them lean. It means that the wind is coming over shortly. So on stay tuned, guys, we keep on posted. That's a OLD Harbour Bay for now. Yeah. But there, guys, look on the HQ. We don't know if anything all left to look on after a tropical storm. But we're going to keep on posted. So that's it for now, you know. Catch you guys later when the action start. Yeah, that is it.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.